Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I have got another sneaker unboxing for you, as you know from the title and stuff. Now technically, I got these from Attitude Inc. Well, I did get them from Attitude Inc., but I've already sort of unboxed them because I wanted to look at them, and of course, and SJ, she wanted to look at something that she bought. So, I've already looked at these. I am very excited about them. They are a little old, but I do want to show you them. So, what have we got? Well, we all know what we've got, but let's do what we normally do. We've got a Nike SB Dunk High Pro. They are black and university gold, and we'll come back to that. They are a UK 11, that makes them a US 12. Now, I tend to wear on the Dunk High, I do tend to go up from the 10.5 to the 11 on the UK sizes, just because of the weirdness of my foot, but we can come back to that as well. If you're a lady out there or prefer women's sizes, these are a UK 11, but in the US that makes them a 13.5. Why do US women's shoes, why are they so weird? I just don't know. Not weird, but why is the sizing out? I have no idea. Right, okay, so but before we get on, if you don't know what we do around here, we are I suppose we're a sneaker YouTube-y sort of channel. We also do a podcast, that's Sneakers and Stories. You can check that out on all your favourite podcast platforms. And I'll let you into a little secret, just gone on SoundCloud as well. So if you're into SoundCloud, you can find us on there as well. Let's get back to the sneaker though. So this is the high from the Truck It pack. Now you all know I've got the low, or if you haven't, I'll put the video somewhere there. But there's a couple of things actually about the box which I don't know what it was like. So it's a standard old teal box, but you know what? I always look at this side. I never noticed that it says Nike SB on that side. I just never look at that side. And the other thing, no woodcut paper. Right, so let's get rid of the box. I'm done with that now. So, I'm just gonna loosen these off ever so slightly because, as always with a Dunk, they are factory laced to within an inch of their life. They're so tight. But they are already, right, I hope you can all see this on the video, and let's actually loosen that deadstock knot. There we go. There we go. So these are not going back anywhere soon, as you can imagine. And as you know with me, everyone out there, I don't sell my shoes generally. So first of all, just look at the quality of the black. Like I often talk about the black of t-shirts and sweatshirts and how some blacks are not as rich, but that black is super rich. SJ on sneaker cam over there, sat just here. Hopefully the black is coming across really nicely. It's like, it's a really, this is gonna sound weird, it's a really rich black. So we can see that there. The other thing to note as well is the suede's not the most premium suede, but it is a really tough, rough and tough suede. That's gonna take a lot of abuse. So let's see if we can get that to focus on that camera there. I think you can. So you're starting to see that sort of 70s car inspired swoosh there, the detailing there, the go faster stripes if you wish. But yeah, it's really nice. So we come back into SJ, so sorry about that camera 2. Well, sorry about that. We had a little bit of an overhead cam shot problem there. Hello, overhead cam. How are you? Are you all right? Had a little bit of a problem there. Right, SJ, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So, as I said, so white midsole, but the real detail of this is the swoosh. So you've got sort of a patent university gold and red sort of go faster stripe there. But the real interesting detail on this is just that the embroidery underneath the swoosh there, which is really nice. It just really sets it off really well. Now, see, you can see that on the other side there. But what I hadn't noticed everyone, I hadn't noticed on when I'd seen other unboxers of these, I hadn't noticed on the heel. And actually the embroidery follows on the heel there, so you can see that. And I'm actually gonna show you over there. Now hopefully you've focused. Now my eyes are so bad, everyone, that I can't tell if it's focused or not. I don't think it has. No. I don't think it has. Let's have another go. Boom, no. Let's have a look at you. Yeah, you focused. Have a look. Have a look at that. You can see the embroidery there. Yeah, my eyes are so bad, everyone, that I can't actually see whether the camera's focusing. So have a look. It's really, really nice. So we're gonna go back over to Sneaker Cam, and we're just gonna show that on the tongue tab, the theme continues there, and it just really sets it off. Like, this is just a really clean pair of black Dunks. But the final little detail that I want to show you all, I do want to show you this. I hadn't appreciated. So obviously, not obviously, but on the back of Dunks, you've got like this. You've obviously got this little pull tag. And I was like, oh, that's all right. And then I flicked it down. Now these, you know, think of yourself cruising across Arizona or something in America. All you've got like is gold and sand, well, desert basically, desert, lots of desert. And occasionally you'll spot a bit of green. It's the old cactus. SJ, get in on that. Can you see the old cactus? It's really hard for me to show you this, everyone, but hopefully that's coming across there. Now I'm gonna take it right in. Now, I don't know whether, yeah, you can see it, but that's not really very well, but it's just a nice little touch, and it's embroidered. It's really nice. And then finally, the sole for everyone. Ooh. Lovely, I love a Dunk sole, me, you all know that. You all know I love a Dunk sole. Beautiful. I can't stop saying beautiful. I keep thinking I'm Bernard Matthews, which will mean nothing to anybody outside of the US. I just want to say beautiful. It's not turkey though, is it? It's not a turkey. Right, here we go. Alternate white laces. Won't be swapping those out, I don't think we need that. I'm going to show you the inner sole. I'm going to show you that. I'm just going to get the paper out. Let's get that out. Boom. Because, and actually I'm going to take the little, let's peel that off there. I'll just stick it there so you can see. So the desert theme continues, and you've kind of got the silhouette there of a cactus. Now, if we put these up in a different order, the last video that we put up was a Janoski unboxing, and on that, its heel unit was this amazing pink. Amazing pink. Sadly, I don't get that. I don't get that at all. So yeah, that's what do you think, everyone? I know it's taken me a while. I've been looking at these so long on Attitude Inc. On and off for like a month or so, been really thinking about it. I wasn't sure, but then I was like, I really like that simplicity. The simplicity of a black Dunk with just this detail here. Look, it works really, really well. And I think I saw some on Instagram in the last week or so, and I was just like, no, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna shell out for these. And I will say, everyone, between me and you, come here. Attitude. Like, Attitude Inc., if you're in the UK, they've got this cheeky discount code, which I did use on this, so it's 15% off. I'll drop the code down below. Now, if you're watching this in May 2020 in the UK, clearly we're all going through a little bit of a COVID issue. If you're watching this in 2021, can you let us know, like, are we allowed out yet? Like, let us know if we're allowed out. But if you're watching this in May 2020 and you're in the UK, I'll drop the code down there. Makes these an absolute steal, but that's just between me and you, yeah? Anyway, everyone, if you haven't subscribed, it's somewhere down there. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to go and listen to the podcast, Sneakers and Stories. I'm going to admit, I tend to listen to it myself because I quite enjoy it. And all that's left for me to say is join us on Sunday evenings for Sneaker Streaming Sundays. That's at about 8 p.m. UK time, 12 p.m. on the West Coast. That is 3 p.m. on the East Coast in the US, where we get together with a bunch of people and talk sneakers and other things, generally sneakers related. You never know, I might have got rid of this COVID thing by then, by the next time you see me. But yeah, what do you think, everyone? Are these a nice Dunk? I think that they're a classic clean Dunk. A classic clean. I'm just checking if there's anything special on the other one. So, everyone, I think I'm out of here. SJ?
Do you want to give it a...
Oh, SJ's just like, I was apologising to the overhead. let's give the overhead. What do you think, Mr. Overhead? Let's put you over there. Let's put you there. So this is for the overhead. And there we go. We're spinning it round. Like, they're such a nice shoe. They are such a nice shoe. Boom. Oh, they're so good, aren't they, SJ? I kind of want to put these on now. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So we're out here, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe down there. Check out that cheeky discount code down below. And we will see you in the next video. No, we generally will. SJ, thoughts?
Match your sweater.
They do, don't they? Don't they? What is this? Look at this. Oh, look. I wonder where... I can't do the angle, but like, look, it's like I've got a 3D sweater on. I've got a 3D sweater on. Oh, I'm getting delirious again. I need some fresh air, I think. So yeah, we are generally out of here now, but I'll see you all later. Oh, I also said don't forget to like this video, or dislike it, all that stuff. See ya, bye.